Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about the concept called all selected. So all selected is a very handy function when you want to know certain distribution percentage, or let's say your volume distribution, or let's say you have a product and under the product there are multiple subcategories and you want to know the subcategory distribution. How, let's say a total amount is 100, how much those subcategory are contributing that uh, among, or how much that subcategory is contributing towards that 100 percentage, like on a breakdown basis. So let's quickly see it via our Power BI hands-on. So let's jump into our Power BI. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna utilize my food inventory table, which has quantity start of the day and quantity sold. Quantity start of the day is nothing but my quantity baked for the day, and quantity baked and quantity sold is nothing but the amount of quantity which is sold. So let's quickly create a visual. Let's say a matrix. I'll bring in quantity start of the day, which is nothing but my baked product and quantity sold, and this is the total amount. So now what I will do, I'll try to pull in my product values. In the rows I'll put product, and I can also put product type. Instead of putting product, let's take product type itself. So what I wanted to explain you with this was, let's say total, right? Total is 64,8282. Now, how much is this biscotti or pastry e- contributing towards this total, right? For that, you need to grab the total 6,48,282, and then once you grab, you need to put on a column, or let's say a measure. You create a measure, and then you put in this table, and then you try to divide this with this to get a percentage. How much is biscotti contributing towards the total? So in that process, all selected is very handy, and it can help you in creating those sort of measures. So let's quickly see that. If I want to compare biscotti and total, so what I will do, I'll quickly create a new measure. Okay, and I'll grab this total. Before grabbing the total, I will just tell you what all selected tells in terms of my definition. So if you see the syntax out here, it takes in table name as a parameter input, or it takes in a column name. So what it says is, it returns all rows in a table or all the values in a column, ignoring any filters that might have been applied inside the query. Got it? So any filter, any uh, filter present in a table or a column would be ignored, but those filter would be kept whose or those filter would be kept that come from outside. So let's quickly see that via our demo. So you can use all selected via calculate modifier. Use the calculate. I'll take in some of my, let's say I want to sum of the quantity start of the day, which is nothing but my quantity baked. And then what I will do, I'll try to use my all selected keyword. Once I select the all selected, you can keep it as blank because it will work on this table which or column which I've selected. Just keep it as blank and close the calculated parenthesis. So once this is done, you can just make this or move this to measures table. And now what you can do is you'll find them all select and just pull it down and just see. You will see you have grabbed this total and it is across all the what do you call product types. So you can also put a filter here. Let's say I don't want this many products. Product group. I will only filter it for, let's say, add-on. Not let's say food items. Okay. So I'll just close the filter out here. Now once I got the values, you can easily divide this, right? See, that's how all function. That was my motto of this video or the objective of the video. What it did is it only took the food inventory e column, which is nothing but just quantity start of the day, and it summed the total, which is in sum of summation and across all the products is 66,48,282. Now what all selected did is it removed all the filters from this product type and just grabbed this value, right? Sum of product quantity. It has grabbed the total value, ignoring all the filters, and it gave me this response across all the rows. Now it will be very easy for you to understand what is the percentage Biscotti is contributing to this particular total. You can easily do that via a variable or a ratio. Variable I'm not creating, you can create it via variable. That is a simpler thing wherein you can use variable, or best thing I'm gonna do is let me convert the same all select measure instead of creating a new, and I'll convert it to a variable. Okay, convert it to a variable. What I will do is I'll create a variable out here named as all select. I'll put the declaration is this all select. Okay, and then what I can do is I'll create one more variable known as ratio, which will grab in divide function, which I'll take the sum of start of quantity, or sorry, what is this? Food inventory, na? Food inventory, quantity start of the day, and then I'll select my all select uh, measure, all selected measure, or you can directly put all select, which is the variable which I've created, comma, if I, and the other else response is dash, and then what you can do is just return ratio. Okay, and you can make it to percentage. You can make it to two decimal. So right now, what is happening is cone is the particular product type which is contributing 58% towards this cat 66 lakh this number, right? 58% is contributed by scone, and 21% is contributed by biscotti and pastry. So that's how all select works. So I hope you liked my video, and do comment and subscribe if you do like my videos or my channel. Thank you guys.